My name is Joe and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. What I do for a living right now is I'm a full-time real estate investor. My background is primarily sales. I've sold professionally for about 25 years. And I was working as a salesman, I was working long hours. I had to travel. A driving force that made me want to get back into investing was I wanted more free time to spend with my family. You know, my children are older, my wife and I are getting older, and I wanted to have the opportunity to spend quality time with them without sacrificing a career or a form of income. I would say the biggest challenge for me to overcome in getting started was finding someone that could check all the boxes for me, and then just gaining the courage to get back into it again. I hadn't done it for a while, so I knew a lot of changes had taken place in the industry, and I just needed some organization that could walk me through the various steps, along with providing the necessary tools that I could obtain to succeed. What I've learned since I've started this process is you really have to do your due diligence. You have to make sure, you know, I mentioned the boxes that you have to check. You have to make sure that you check all the boxes to make sure that you're getting into the right project to begin with. And Do Hard Money has offered those tools with the various videos that Ryan Wright shows, how to choose a contractor, determine which is the best property to rehab or to rent. So all those tools have made it really helpful in getting back into it and looking to be successful in it. I can say starting out that there was a mistake that I had made when it came to choosing the right contractors, that I said, you know, I wish I had stepped back for a while, gotten with the right organization or found the right mentors to make a better decision. In the end, I did okay, but I could have done better. But it was really a learning experience, and it's probably something that if in hindsight, had I just taken time back and found the right people, I think I would have been more successful in it. What I enjoy about real estate investing on a personal level is that it gives me peace of mind to know that I'm my own boss, and that my decisions impact what I do. No one else comes into that, and that it gives me the freedom to determine or to take on various projects that I think may be beneficial to me, and that's real peace of mind, and I enjoy that aspect of it. This isn't my first wholesale deal. This is the first wholesale deal I've done with Do Hard Money. You know, I gotta admit, it was easier than any other wholesale deals that I've done in the past, because they had buyers or potential buyers on the other end. This property is located on the west side of Chicago, and it's in fairly close proximity to Oak Park, Illinois, which is a thriving area, very diverse, and property values are extremely strong in Oak Park, and because this property kind of sits up against Oak Park, the Chicago part of it, for anyone that gets into it, I think it's a good investment for them. The way I figured my profit into it, I looked at the cost of the property. The property was somewhere around $97,000. The work that would be required to rehab it. It wasn't in real bad shape, but I estimated it would cost somewhere around $71,000 to do the work. And from the comparables that I had pulled up, it had come in somewhere around $270,000, I think, to $310,000, $315,000. So net profit on $97,000, $168,000 to be exact, all in, and then $270,000 to about $300,000. I believe you were looking at a almost net profit of around $95,000 to about $130,000. Fix and flips, as well as wholesaling, does provide the opportunity to take care of bills. Some bills that I didn't think I would be able to even reach working. And it also offers me the opportunity where I can really dream about doing other things and doing it through real estate. So it takes care of the everyday expenses, but it also offers you the opportunity to really seek out and do those passions that you couldn't do before. What I most enjoy about real estate investing, that no matter what aspect of it, whether you're renting property or you do fix and flips, or even if you're wholesaling, you really have a chance to impact the lives of other people and make a difference for the better. And that's probably the biggest part that I love about it the most.